Self-rescue techniques for kitesurfers are a highly demanded topic in our advanced lesson program. Of course, as an Iron Club guest, you will never be faced with the need to rescue yourself, since our trained personnel keep an eye on you at all times. But still, knowing how to self-rescue, even if not needed, will increase your comfort on the water and makes you more independent. Besides knowing the correct technique, self-rescue requires experience in order to assess the situation correctly. As a beginner or little experienced kiter, please only go kiting on spots on which a proper rescue system is in place and self-rescue is not needed. Self-rescue is never a substitute for a trained lifeguard and a rescue boat. Since it is quite hard to actually see the necessary actions while drifting in deep water, we like to repeat the demonstrated technique in shallow water again. Before rolling up the lines, you need to make absolutely sure that your kite is unable to launch accidentally again. To do so, let go of the bar and exit the quick release system. Once the kite is fully depowered on the water, start pulling on the one line still connected to your harness in order to get back to the bar. It is crucial to keep that line under tension at all times. To do so, start wrapping it tightly around the bar before you begin to roll up the remaining lines. While rolling the lines, always make sure to keep your hands free and ready to let go of the bar if needed. It's important to not swim towards the kite, but rather pulling the kite towards you. Using the bar in a fishing rod style makes the pulling easier. Once rolled up, secure the lines on the bar. To keep your board close to you, simply detach the safety leash from the harness, wrap it under your foot strap and connect the two ends of the leash. Make sure to not let go of your bar, as it is now not longer connected to your harness. Now it's time to turn your kite around. Especially big kites are turned easier by placing one foot on the front tube while pulling the middle strut towards you. Once the kite is laying safely on its back, climb into the kite and step on the front tube to reach the crab handles on the upper side. After that, get hold of the lower crab handle as well and use the kite as a sail to drag you slowly towards the beach. In offshore wind conditions, dragging with your kite is obviously impossible and swimming against the wind is very exhausting. Therefore, we strongly recommend to never kite in offshore winds without a boat and a professional rescue system in place. See you on the water. Your Iron Club Instructors Team.